Fefdy.
Types of plants.
After learning about the parts of plants from Aunt Hannah's garden, Econ and Paggio joins Aunt Hannah in exploring the mystical forest behind her house. Surrounded by a tapestry of vibrant plants, Aunt Hannah reveals the secrets of herbs, shrubs, trees, creepers, and climbers. The forest becomes a living encyclopedia as they explore the various types of plants.
What do you see, Econ?
I see butterflies and squirrels all around the bushes and trees. And there are plants growing around those trees too.
Very good, Econ. I appreciate your keen observation. All plants will not become trees. Types of plants. Plants are of different types. They can be grouped based on the size and nature of their stem. They are herbs, shrubs, climbers, creepers, and trees.
Auntie, what are these tiny plants? They have a medicinal aroma and soft, delicate stem.
Those are herbs. Herbs are small plants with thin and soft stems. Herbs usually live for a few months only and are often used for cooking or to prepare herbal medicines. Remember, we used to put mint and coriander leaves in our lemon juice? Those are herbs.
I heard Econ often picks them aside, but that is very good for health.
Now I know its importance, Paggio. Auntie, what is that?
Econ, those are shrubs. Shrubs are plants with thin and hard stems with many branches. Shrubs live for several years. Sometimes they even grow pretty flowers. Oh, look! It's a jasmine shrub. Paggio, your mother often decks her hair with jasmine, roses, and daisies.
Yes, Auntie, she usually does that on special occasions.
Yes, I will tell you more secrets about plants.
Hooray! Wow, Aunt Hannah, look at this plant. Aunt Hannah, why is this plant climbing on top of other trees and plants? It seems so dependent on it.
That's a good observation, baby. That's because these plants are called climbers.
I will tell you more secrets about this plant.
Climbers are plants with weak stems. Climbers need support to grow. Climbers mostly have a shorter life.
Those grapes you both love to eat, they are climbers. Similarly, beans, peas, and money plants are also climbers. Do you play rock climbing games?
Yes, we do climb rocks, Auntie. It's amazing that plants do climb. Oh, look at this plant. It has a long stem and is spreading on the ground. What is it, Auntie?
These are called creepers, baby. Let us look at more about creepers, shall we?
Creepers are plants with weak stems. Creepers grow along the ground. Creepers bear large and heavy fruits.
You love watermelons, right? They grow on creepers.
So that's how creepers are different from climbers.
Auntie, my legs are paining. Can we rest under the tree for a while?
Oh, sure, baby. We can sit and rest under the tree and talk about it.
Trees are big and tall plants. Trees have hard and thick stems called trunks. Many trees have branches and live for many, many years.
Econ, can you name a few fruits that grow on trees?
Yes, Auntie. Apples, mangoes, oranges, guavas, and more.
There! That's a ripe mango.
Let's catch it, it's about to fall.
Yes! That is one of the tastiest fruits. Plants produce food for all living creatures. Let's go back home and relish this fruit.
Thank you, trees, for shading us from the sun's might. Under your leafy canopy, we find comfort and rest. Thank you, trees, for providing us with delicious fruits. Your wide variety nourishes us and makes us happy.
So far, we've learnt about so many different types of plants and trees in the forest. Shall we recall all the kinds of plants that we saw? Types of plants: herbs, shrubs, climbers, creepers, and trees.
March 21st, World Forestry Day. World Forestry Day is a special day where we celebrate trees in a big and fun way. They give us air to breathe and play, and we thank trees for their role every day.